Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Cutler Bay, Florida. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. A short drive from popular Miami, Florida attractions, including the University of Miami, this Cutler Bay Motel features pet-friendly guest rooms furnished with wireless internet access. Motel 6 Cutler Bay provides free Wi-Fi, on-site laundry facilities and free local telephone calls. The Miami Metrozoo, Lowe's Art Museum and the Miami Museum of Science are all within driving distance of the Cutler Bay Motel 6. There are also a variety of local shopping centers and restaurants nearby. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.